Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on 2015 Jeep Cherokee, only way. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal, then open the hood and remove any engine covers. Use a serpentine belt tool to relieve tension and slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Unplug electrical connectors and remove mounting bolts. Swap in the new alternator, tighten bolts to spec, reinstall the belt, reconnect the battery, and verify the charging system. Before you start, lay out all tools and a clean tray for bolts and hardware. Confirm the replacement alternator matches the OEM electrical connector and mount pattern. Label any disconnected wires and take a photo of belt routing for reference. Use a torque wrench to tighten mounting bolts to manufacturer specs and avoid over-torquing. Inspect the belt and pulleys for wear, and replace the belt if it shows cracks or glazing for reliable operation. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future repair guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and wiring diagrams in the garage because it's easy to hold and has a bright, glare-free display. It's compact, durable, and perfect for reference on the fly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically and stay calm while removing the alternator to avoid lost hardware or damaged connectors. Loosen the belt tensioner and slide the belt off, then carefully unplug the main connector and the feed wire using a small pick if stuck. Loosen the mounting bolts progressively while supporting the alternator, then lift it free and compare the new unit for identical mounting points. Transfer any brackets or heat shields, install the replacement, and follow reverse steps for reassembly and testing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.